This guide will help you understand how to request payouts on Robinhood. Follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the necessary features. Step 2. Navigate to your account. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account overview where you can manage your funds. Step 3. Access the Transfers section. Look for the Transfers option within your account settings. This section allows you to manage your deposits and withdrawals. Step 4. Select Withdraw Funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm your withdrawal. Review the details of your withdrawal request and confirm the transaction. You may need to verify your identity through a security measure before the payout is processed. Once you have completed these steps, your payout request will be submitted. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation and updates regarding the status of your withdrawal.